warm welcome to our extended family at Landmark Avana. I'm Kiran, managing customer relationship at Landmark Group. We understand that your home is one of the most meaningful investments, and it is our duty to keep you transparently connected to its growth. Today, I'm thrilled to share with you the structural and verified infrastructure report straight from the project site. Our engineering teams have achieved crucial momentum. We have successfully completed 100% excavation works across every single plot in the development. And this lays down a solid, permanent baseline for the entire community. Let's look at the rapid elevation of the project site. I'm incredibly proud to share that plots 210 to 215 and plots 236 to 246 have completed their primary structural frameworks all the way up to the 4th floor. And our teams are actively executing the terrace level concrete casting works as we speak. Simultaneously, plots 216 to 224 have successfully completed concrete casting up to the 2nd floor, with the 3rd floor structural works now progressing in full swing. For the rest of the project, the basement foundation works are moving forward aggressively, while the stilt level structural framing is actively underway for plots 60 to 76. Your future homes are rising steadily and safely every single day. A world-class residential lifestyle requires flawless underlying infrastructure. Moving away from vertical slabs, let's talk about a massive progress on external utilities. In Phase 1, covering plots 1 to 59, I'm delighted to share that all external services are fully completed. And this includes our structural road networks, light pole grids, water supply mains, storm line, sewerage connectivity, and tow walls. Following this success, we have seamlessly transitioned these workflows into Phase 2 of the plots. True community sustainability lives in its central utilities. On that front, the primary civil structures for both our sewerage treatment plant and water treatment plant stand 100% structurally complete. Furthermore, the social heart of Landmark Avana, your future clubhouse, has officially crossed its first major milestone, with the entire foundation casting completely finalized. At Landmark, we don't just build to timeline targets, we build to ensure generational standards. On behalf of the entire Landmark Group and its engineering family, we thank you for your continued trust in us. Our customer relationship desk remains completely open and ready to assist you for any personal requests for site visit. Stay tuned for our further upcoming construction updates. See you soon, right here on site.